In this video, we're going to be talking about the preparing update problem on the iPhone, which is pretty common. So let's just get straight into the video. So the best way you can fix these is going to be first by deleting the update and re-downloading it. And that is going to be by heading into the settings, heading into the general, and then heading into your iPhone storage and simply looking for the update and then deleting it and restart your iPhone and try downloading it again via the software update tab right over here. If that doesn't work, then make sure that you ensure you are connected to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network, and also free up space like 5 to 10 GB by deleting unused apps or media, because that is also very important. So it is as simple as that. If none of those work, then try heading to the Apple Store once. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.